Wake up, boy. Good morning. It's Mike back again. We are going to San Marcos, Dallas here, my son. His E46, 2004 E46 330 CI. Either the water pump or the thermostat went out in it. So he was on his way home from college for Christmas 2019. And anyway, he caught a ride with a buddy, and because I was at work and I couldn't go get him. So right now we're headed to the donut shop, then get some coffee and donuts. Then when we're done with that, we're going to U-Haul to get a car trailer and haul it down to San Marcos. It's about a 5-hour trip. Load that car up, bring it back. This is just going to be like a vlog, I guess, of that trip. And then once we get the car back, I'll make another video of us replacing the thermostat and the water pump on it, which I know there's a million of those already on YouTube, but maybe ours will be funner. Catch you down the road. All right, we've got our trailer hooked up, ready to go. Time to hit the road. Alright, so we're just stopped south of Dallas, and for a restroom break. I just wanted to double check this trailer hitch. I've seen on YouTube horror stories about these things coming loose, and it was a little bit loose. So, got her tightened up, should be good to go. We'll get on down the road. All right, we made it to the university. There's the parking garage where his car is. So here's the trailer. We got it on this angle right here. That parking lot goes up, and then we've got it like that so that hopefully the angle will be all right. We won't have to do anything weird to get this thing on the trailer. There's the old truck. So anyway, hopefully the car will start. Hasn't been started in a couple weeks, but it should start up. It's got a good battery in it, so we'll get it loaded up and get on back down the road up towards North Texas, or start. Been sitting for 2 weeks. Oh, all right. Good deal. All right, easy peasy. Here's another Texas road trip must stop. Buc-ee's. Cool little M3. Sitting here getting gas. So we're over there. Walk up. Embarrass my son. So, our traditional Buc-ee's pit stop on the way down to San Marcos. There's a little black 3 Series, pretty cool. Anyway, this U-Haul trailer seems to be doing good. Everything's riding fine. I've had to tighten that hitch up a couple of times. It's a little bit loose, but the car staying strapped down nice and tight. So everything's working out there. We've got, we're in Temple. So we've got another 2 or 3 hours back to the house up north of Dallas. So got my coffee and my Buc-ee's cotton candy. So we're good for another few thousand miles. All right, we got the car unloaded. We're back home, and I think that's going to be it for this video. There's Miss Zoe Chihuahua on Instagram. Anyway, that's it for this little video. Just wanted to make a short one for this one. The next one will be here in a couple of days. We're going to be putting the new water pump and thermostat on that car, and we'll make a video of that. Hopefully that'll turn out good. Remember to like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. So thanks for watching.